everyone on this channel Theory of Nothing. This is part 3 of Learn Permutation Combination easily, and I hope you have understood the questions and the basic idea of permutation combination. I am not taking the conventional questions that comes in 11th and 12th board exams. My motive is to make this video to uplift the understanding of 11th 12th students for mathematics and encourage you to solve JEE level questions. Let's start this lecture with our first question. In first question we have factorial 6 divided by 8. It is asked that is factorial 6 can be divided by 8. So we will use the method of greatest integer function, but this will not work because we are making a fundamental mistake that 8 is not a prime number. So what we will do now, we will convert it in a prime number 6 upon 2 to the power 3. Now 2 is a prime number, and again using the formula 6 upon 2 plus divided by 6 upon 2 to the power 2 plus divided by 6 upon 2 to the power 3, and after solving we will get 3 plus 1 plus 0, which means we have fourth power of 2 available in the expansion of factorial 6. So the factorial 6 will be divisible by 8, will be divisible by 2 to the power 3, which means 8. Divisible. Now going to the next question. In the next question we have to find the power of 10 available in the expansion of factorial 100. So to find the number of zeros, you will do the same 100 divided by 10 plus 100 divided by 10 plus 10 square, but again you are making a same mistake because 10 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number, and we will first convert it in a prime number, which means 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So solving it with 100 upon 5 plus 100 upon 5 to the power 2 plus 100 upon 5 to the power 3, and we will get 20 plus 4 plus 0, which means we will get 24. We will get 5 to the power 24 in the expansion of factorial 100. Now repeating the same process with 2. Let's check what will happen. Now writing the same 100 upon 2 plus 100 upon 2 to the power 2 plus 200 upon 2 to the power 32, 64. 2 to the power 6 will become 64. Okay. Now in the first calculation we will get integer 50, which is bigger than 24, and to form a 10 we need equal number of 2's and 5, and we have only 24 5, so we will need 24 2, and the power of 10 will become 2 to the power 24 into 5 to the power 24 will become 10 to the power 24. So there will be 24 zeros in the expansion of factorial 100. I hope you have understood how can we solve this kind of questions. Don't make the same mistake of taking any number. First of all, convert the number in a prime number and then solve the questions. Now, in the third question, we will see the use of multinomial theorem. First, we see where we will need multinomial theorem. If we have a word context and it is asked to form words of 4 letters, so generally what we will do, we take 3 plus 3, 8, generally we do 8C4, but here this method will be wrong because there is a repetition of C and T's. So we cannot use directly this. We have to first find the cases of repetition. We can make 4 letter words by fixing letters. We can take 2 C's or 2 T's, and 2 letters can be any letter from this, O, S and A, S, and if we make cases, the number of cases will be very large and we cannot solve it in a proper time. So what we will do, we will use the application of multinomial theorem. In multinomial theorem, we have L alike elements and we have M alike elements N alike elements and we need to find the coefficient of R in the expansion. Now I am going to write the expansion. Let me first rub this whiteboard. As you know that L are same kind things, M are same kind things and N are same kind things. So we have 2 C's, 2 same C's and 2 same T's and all are different letters. So we will write it as, for C, we will write it as 1 plus x square because we have 2 C's. So we will write it to the x square. For 2 T's, we will do the same, 1 plus x square, and for different letters we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 different letters. So we will write it as 1 plus x 4 times because repetition is only once. After combining it, we will get 1 plus x square to power 2 plus 1 into, I mistakenly write plus, but the correct will be multiplication, 1 plus x to power 4. So now we can solve it by solving this, and then we will find the coefficient of R, and R is here 4. So we will find the coefficient of x to power 4. We can solve it as, here we can use expansion of binomial theorem, and here we can use formula a plus b whole square of a plus b. So I hope you will solve it easily because it is not a very hard question to solve, and my purpose to teach you the concept, not the calculation of a given question. So I am skipping it, and I hope you will do it. Now going to the next question. In the next question we will see how to solve the equations. If we have an equation w plus x plus y plus 4z is equal to 10. If there z, not the 4z, we can use the non-integral solution of the equation, but here you can see that we have multiplier of 4 to the z. So what we will do the same procedure as we have done in the multinomial theorem, but in a different way. We will write as for w, we will write it as 1 plus x square up to infinite terms. For x we will write the same 1 plus x square up to infinite terms. For y we will write the same 1 plus x square up to infinite terms. And for 4z, it is special case, we will write as 1 plus x to power 4 plus x to power 1, 2 means x to power 8 plus x to power 12 up to infinite terms. After simplifying it, it will become the sum of infinite GP, means 1 upon 1 minus r, and same for the x, and same will happen with dy, 1 upon 1 minus x, and this will remain the same because it will be easier for us to solve it. Now this will become 1 minus x to power minus 3, and this can be expanded as a binomial of any index like 1 plus 3c 1 x plus 4c2 x square plus 5c 3 x cube plus 6c 4 x to power 4 plus 7c 5 x to power 5 plus 8c 6 x to power 6 plus 9c 8 9c 7 x to power 7 plus, and we can write it in the same manner. So I think you are confusing among the in this long question, but I am trying to solve it. I have to rub the whiteboard because there is no space on the whiteboard. Now we need the coefficient of x to power 10. Okay, so we will take the multiplier 10 can came from 8 plus 2, and we have the earlier GPS. We need coefficient of x to power 10, and we have earlier GPS 1 plus x to power 4 plus x to power 8 plus x to power 12 up to infinity, and we have these terms in multiplication, and we need x to power 10. So we can get x to power 10 by x to power 8 multiplying with the x to power 2, which means we will get 4c2 as a multiplier from x to power 8 to x to power 2, and next we can get from x to power 4 plus x to power 6, which means 8c6, and for 10 we can get x to power 10 from here, from our binomial expansion, as 10c to 10c, we will get as x to power 10 as 12c 10, because it will have x to power 10, and here we have only our number 1, so this will be the answer. You can solve it. I am going to solve it for you. This question is quite long, but no problem. 4c2 will become factorial 4 upon 4 plus 8c6 will become 8 into 7 divided by 2, and it will become 12 into 11 upon 2, so it will become 6, it will become 28, and it will become 66. After adding, we will get 72, 80 and 100. We will get 100 as the answer. I hope there is no mistake, but you can solve it by yourself, and if there is any mistake you can comment down. In the next lecture we will see the tougher question for JEE Main and JEE Advanced. So if you find it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.